Welcome students. Today we are going to see living and non-living things. We see variety of things around us. Some are living while others are non-living. Now see what is around you. There are TV, fridge, table, chair and your pet animals too like cat and dog also. So some are living and some are non-living. Living things. See the picture. There is a boy, plants and animals. They are living things. How we can see living things? Because living things have some characteristics. Let's see that. First one is movement. Living things can move from one place to another place. The second one is growth. Living things can grow. Then the food is essential for the living things. Next is reproduction. The human and animals, they give birth to young ones. Some animals lay eggs. The plants reproduce through seeds. All living things need air to breathe. Plants breathe through leaves. So remember, every living things will move, they grow, they have food and reproduce and they will breathe. The next is non-living things. See the picture. The sun, chair and table, water, rocks, toys are there. These are non-living things. How we can say these are non-living things? Because they have the following characteristics. They don't move on their own. They don't grow. They do not need their food or water. They do not reproduce and they do not breathe. Let's see examples for living and non-living things. Bear. Bear is an animal. It is living things. That is, the bear can move by their leg. They can walk or run. They can have the nutrients from that food. They can reproduce by giving birth to young ones. That is, they can have a baby bear. And they can grow. The bear can breathe through their nose. Thus, the bear is living thing. Now we can see example for non-living. Table. The table can move. No, it does not move. And they do not have any nutrients. That is, they cannot take food. And they cannot reproduce. They cannot have a growth. It is in fixed shape. And they cannot breathe also. So thus, table is non-living. These are examples for living and non-living things. We are going to compare the following characteristics for humans, plants and animals. The animals and humans, we can move from one place to another. But the plants are fixed in the soil. We can see the movement of the growth towards the sunlight. Animals and humans, they have their food. The plants produce their food by the process called photosynthesis. We humans breathe through nose. Some animals, they can breathe through their nose, gills and skins also. The plants can breathe through by the leaf. The leaf having a tiny spores called stomata. This stomata helps to absorb carbon dioxide and helps to release the oxygen. The animals and humans have feelings like the way some plants have feelings too. For example, touch me not plant. Animals and humans have reproduction. That is, humans give birth to young ones and some animals give birth to young ones or some of the animals they lay eggs. Plants also have reproduction through the seeds and some other parts of the plant. This picture shows about the growth of the living things. Students, so thus today we learned about living and non-living things. Students, do the homework.